Hi everyone, I'm Tammy Salamone and this is tammy.fitness. Today I'm going to be making a leftover Thanksgiving soup. Kind of a recipe that I just made up one day and it's so delicious. You're going to love it this time of year. So what you're going to use today are, those leftover veggies from that veggie tray on Thanksgiving? Chop up about 2 to 4 cups of vegetables. I've got carrots and celery. You can use broccoli, cauliflower, whatever was left over. Next, I've got 1 cup of chopped turkey from the turkey, 1 cup of sweet potatoes that were left over. Don't get any marshmallows in there though. I don't think that will taste very good. I've got a half of an onion that I chopped up, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper each, also 2 cans of diced tomatoes or 1 large can will work, 2.5 cups of a low sodium vegetable broth, 1 cup of water, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So your first step is going to be putting in the olive oil and the vegetables. I'm going to saute that for maybe about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so I've already sauteed the vegetables for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Let's go ahead and pour those right in. And I'm going to add also my water, the broth, and my salt and pepper. Okay. And then once I get all this in here, I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'll probably let this go for about another 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, you'll see now the soup is going to just start to boil. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the turkey. It's already cooked, so it doesn't have to be in there as long. And then also you can go ahead and add in the sweet potatoes because you just want to take that chill out. And then it's really going to start getting more to a boil here. And then I'll probably leave it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes and then it's going to be all done. That's how easy this is. This is so simple because all you're taking is a bunch of the Thanksgiving leftovers and you're using them in this delicious soup. Okay, it's all done. I've had this simmering for about 10 minutes. Look at this, you guys. There's just chunks of vegetables and turkey, and you got your tomato, and you are just going to love this soup. I hope you enjoy my leftover Thanksgiving soup. It's just so delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember, I'm Tammy Salamone, and I'm your personal trainer.